Nairuchokinit erionget stand for her land Caroline Kayanya nesi aboikit Etutuor na ido abu itamitam obala ebe.
We're in Soroti and we have brought together participants from various districts in the eastern region to basically have a conversation and have a discussion and have an interactive learning session around issues affecting women on land in their communities, but also strengthen their capacities to advocate for women's land rights issues in their communities.
Etutuor Angor Stella Rose Akutui Uriongete Law Women's Land Rights Uganda Nesida Abu Itamitam Ebe Ejasi Kesi Ainakin Angore Porotoi Nera Kironui Kamanara Kede Alupok Kech.
When you advocate for an issue as one person, it's not very effective, as opposed to when you're advocating for these issues, but in a collective manner. Yeah? So that's why we have brought women today here to try to enlighten them on their land rights. And we also realize that from the trainings, there's actually limited information. Some information is distorted, so that's why we are here to give credible information so that they're able to go back to their communities and also empower them on these land rights.
Adiope Kotoma Osisha ka Josephine Adongo nesi eyalamanoi ebe ejaingesida kwa nae poroto adomun Alupok kwape aberu.
I'm very happy because I'm a grassroots woman. All the way from Nigeria, I've been brought here to be, at least to get some knowledge on land rights and human rights. So that's why I'm very happy, because what I've been told is really getting me to know that a woman, I can stand and I have the right. I want to own my land as a woman.
Dila duchu Angor mamsai jene akeche Apedorosio kapa bero. Duchu ne jauno regulete la Alupok. Dumuni jabaka ibe po nyamat do nyameti due. To nyamat la nyameti tungalelo stay chakanyo Alupok. Mamji jeni da ba ibe je kur aibe ngabe chika nakan o kape jo toto le marta jo awai. So ngeslo le nyara utere so ni aja kini siporote ngulwe gogong e ner aishani kini so ni kama nara keda Apedorosio Angor otoma Alupok dodo isoda anyakara kiromonu kwapu neja itoto no kwa pangina.
We have learned quite many things, but most importantly, we have learned about the different land systems and then the different land rights, especially for the women. And we have also learned that there is a new amendment of the Land Act of 2022 that caters for all women and their rights to inherit land right from their fathers, be it mother, or even when your husband passes on, use the Land Act still covers you up as a woman.
Kanuka TV East Solomon Neramu Koibuga Soroti.